Alright, so I put a battery pack back on my phone. Now I wanted to show you guys what I did earlier. Basically, if you watch my video earlier, you'll see when I got this blower, the exhaust, I can actually just show you, it did not look like this. I'll show you what I was dealing with. I put this whole piece on here, all the way down into there. I bought it like this. Got a good deal from a local dealer here in North Bay. I work with them, Arnstein Lawn and Gardens. We have an exclusive deal. When stuff like this comes in, it comes to me. Anyway, got this thing. That's the original exhaust. Like, the guy ripped the cage off and broke his own exhaust. And that's what the bottom handle that I showed you I replaced looked like. He broke the handle and decided just to throw his own custom handle. You can see where he snapped it there. Looks like he even attempted to weld it. So anyway, that's that handle that I was just showing you. Got it apart again now because I just tightened everything really nice and snug now that I know everything's working good. This is a hydrostatic drive, so it has a hydrostatic transmission, as you can see, and they're very simple to work on. Just if you see that little leak right there, usually just tighten a bolt. I had a little bit of oil coming out of here when I bought a little bit of oil coming out of the overhead valve, or the exhaust valve, and I just tightened down the bolts, all of them, no leak. So if your snowblower is starting to show those signs, and yeah, it's time to just tighten up some bolts because they do rattle loose with the vibration. But anyway, this was a heck of a deal, I think, on my part. I got a very good deal. So anyway, I put some gas in it, got it running a lot better, and here we are about to put the bottom pan back on her. That just sits in there. This comes in here. And of course, this guy used every other screw. There's only one stock bolt in there, and from factory, and that's it. That was one of his. I've tightened everything up, and I put mine. Doesn't look like a big rat's nest anymore, at least. So I'm just gonna tighten up the bottom pan here. Very simply, anybody can do this stuff at home. I changed that bar there. It was snapped on with the other guy, and it honestly took me maybe a tops of. You can see the different color there. Yeah, it took me a tops of maybe, I don't know, 25 minutes to do that. And the other attention I had to address was the muffler. That was about another maybe 20 minutes to do it right. You can do it quick and fast. And I did it right there, the end of my driveway and the back of my truck. So, I'm just putting the one screw on the side of this pan. It's probably not even the original screw. Might be the only. No, it's not, because it's just spinning. But it's in there. Alright, let's snug it out. No. Okay. For the other side, it was stripped out. There was no screw, so I gotta. By the way, I'm just doing this as if I was a guy that didn't have the tools. It's just a Robertson screw. Pair of vice grips in there. That way, the guy that buys this snowblower doesn't end up with snow in his belts and transmission area. Not what you want. But yeah, when I got this thing, it was running like, obviously super loud because of the exhaust. And we're just gonna put the tire on because the guy actually is going to get this. I picked this blower up for, I think it was $200. And then they wanted to sell me the muffler at Arnstein's in North Bay for $135. And our buddy Skunker, Dave, happened to have one. He sold it to me for $25. So we got the muffler, and then this is just a Crossman bar. All, HuskaVarna, Crossman, and MTD are all the same. This bar, the new replacement bar, was off of the MTD, I believe, or Crossman. It was stuck in the snow. Still, the ice is still on it. And this thing's been warmed up, so we're just putting the bottom pins in the tires. By the way, undercoat everything, guys, with rust check or crown. That way you'll be able to do what I'm doing right now. If not, your stuff will just seize right on there, and you'll never get a chance to take your tires off and look at what's going on with your blower. So I'm just simply got the pin here, kind of jammed up against the house, but it is what it is. Pins through, and very simply grab this guy. And don't just do that, because you'll lose it. Go all the way. How are you going to lose out of that? It's pretty hard to lose. So we'll flip it back down here. Issue I was just not liking when I was going to sell it was it's all wobbly, like really wobbly, because that bolt had not been tightened yet. This bar was kind of bent when we got it, so I'm just going to give it a little, the old college bend back. And seems to be a lot better now. I'm going to let it settle for a second. I'll give it a fire up and we'll see how she's running now. She is a pain to move. You got to pretty much unlock the power steering wheel to roll it. I can pull it, I guess. Nah, I'll electric start. I got the cord literally right here, so yeah. I'm gonna have GoPro this week to show you guys how to do this stuff on hand. So we're gonna choke it out. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your throttle's on. There it should be. Just gonna try and choke off here. So we got the headlight working on this machine. I noticed it only at a high idle. The headlight does work a lot better. If you actually turn the idle down low, the headlight will kick off, and so will the heated grips. But yeah, that's just a quick overview on a HuskaVarna. I think this is a 1650E XL. It's got a nice wide bucket on it, and you know, one thing, I just put this back in here. This was out. Stuff like that. I got the chute locking. It wasn't locking earlier. I got that all going good. So that's what a customer wants to see when he comes, right? He wants to see his stuff and working, right? You know. Anyway, that's the HuskaVarna that we picked up there. The only thing that's not working is the up and down, but I just bolted it on, made it look a little better. She's run good, the hydrostatic transition's good, lock is good. Everything's good on this blower. It's a little bit bent out of whack, that's only because how the bars were set. I'm going to try and get that bend out of it, but other than that, overall, for a quick restore, I'd say it turned out okay. And there wasn't that much engine work needed at all, really. And you know what's kind of cool is the guy, it was missing this, so he gave me a brand new one. Those are like $14, or what I had to find one. And pretty much I did all that with these tools and some extras because the exhaust had torques and stuff. But just to show you that you can do it at home by yourself, whoever you are, wherever you are, whenever you want. So anyway, these repairs are easy, and if you need help and assistance, just tell me what you got. I probably got one in the back, and I'll show you how to do whatever you need done. Subscribe and like, guys. Thanks.